morphology of flowering plants, and that topic is of inflorescence. What is inflorescence? Inflorescence is of arrangement of flower on plants. That is known as inflorescence. Arrangement, or we can say distribution of flower on the main branch or branch of the plants or on the plants is known as inflorescence. Means how the flowers are arranged on the plants, that arrangement is known as inflorescence. Inflorescence is of three types. Mainly it is of three types. First one is of racemose. Racemose inflorescence. In this type of inflorescence, the growth of main branch not terminate due to formation of flower. The growth of main branch is not terminate due to the formation of flower. Means the main branch growth continues after the formation of flower. That suppose this is the main branch. Here flower is formed. So this growth will not terminate. That flower will be moved lateral portion and the growth will be continuous. Then it will be again in lateral side. That growth will be continuous. So the growth of the main branch will not terminate after the formation of flower. That is the racemose inflorescence. If we see in the racemose inflorescence, the old flower present towards the base, old flower towards the base, and young flower towards the apex, यानी old flower base पे होता है. Suppose this is the inflorescence. Here one flower is there, here another flower is there, here another flower, and here. So the oldest flower, this is the oldest flower, and this is youngest flower. So oldest flower towards the base and youngest flower towards the apex. Such type of arrangement is known as racemose inflorescence, and or the flower arranged in acropetal manner. This type of arrangement in which old flowers towards the base and young flower towards the apex, this is type of arrangement is known as acropetal. यानी ओल्ड नीचे होता है और यंग सबसे ऊपर होता है. सपोज सबसे पहले नंबर का ये है, दूसरे नंबर का ये, थर्ड नंबर, फोर्थ नंबर, एंड दिस इज द फिफ्थ नंबर ऑफ फ्लावर. So old flower towards the base and young flower towards the apex. Such type of arrangement is known as acropetal manner. Suppose that this flower plants will be flat. ये इतनी elongated और elongated नहीं होकर के flat हो जाए. It will be flat like this. So here the old flower towards the periphery. Old flower towards the, these are the flower. You can say these are the flower. So old flower towards the periphery or young flower towards the center. Young flower towards the center, old flower towards the periphery. This is known as centripetal manner. Centripetal manner. So suppose their thalamus is of फ्लेट, या कह सकते हैं ये जो मेन ब्रांच है वो बिल्कुल फ्लेट हो जाए इस तरह से एकदम, तो क्या होगा ये, तो ओल्ड फ्लावर कहाँ जाएंगे, पेरिफेरी पे आ जाएंगे, सेंटर के अंदर यंग फ्लावर आ जाएंगे, एंड सच टाइप ऑफ अरेंजमेंट इज नोन एज सेंट्रीपीटल मैनर. और दिस टाइप ऑफ फ्लावर प्रेजेंट इन दैट सनफ्लावर में ऐसा सेंट्रीपीटल मैनर होता है. एक्रोपीटल बात करें तो मस्टर्ड के अंदर, सरसों के अंदर इस तरह का एक्रोपीटल इन्फ्लोरेसेंस होता है. सो दिस इज द racemose inflorescence in which main branch growth will not terminate after the formation of flower, and the growth of the main branch continues to grow, and another young flower or another flower originated at the top, and the old flower will move in lateral sides. So old flower towards the base and young flower towards the apex. Such type of arrangement acropetal, and another that is of centripetal, जिसमें फ्लैट हो जाती है, एक्सिस फ्लैट हो जाती है पूरी फ्लावर की एक्सिस, तो ओल्ड फ्लावर टुवर्ड्स द पेरिफेरी एंड यंग फ्लावर टुवर्ड्स द सेंटर, दैट इज द रेसिमोस इन्फ्लोरेसेंस. अनदर टाइप ऑफ इन्फ्लोरेसेंस दैट इज ऑफ साइमोस. साइमोस इन्फ्लोरेसेंस, साइमोस इन्फ्लोरेसेंस that after the formation of flower, main branch growth will terminate. And new flower arise from base of old flower, base of, suppose this is the main branch, flower will be formed, so this branch growth will be terminated. After the formation of flower, that this branch will not grow further, and another flower or another flower will form from the base of the, so this of first and this of second. So after formation of flower, the main branch growth will be terminate, and such type of arrangement is known as basipetal, in which the old flower at the apex and young flower at the base. ऊपर old flower होते हैं, young flower base में होते हैं. If you see if the central axis will be flat, that is known as centrifugal. Centrifugal. Centrifugal means if the flat thalamus will be there, at the center is of old flower और यहाँ पर young flower होंगे. So this is of cymose inflorescence. It is of basipetal, or we can say that is of centrifugal type of inflorescence, in which that old flower at the apex and young flower at the base. It is of maybe two types, that cymose inflorescence of two types, monocagial and dicagial and polycagial. Three types of, it is of three types, that is of monocagial, dicagial and polycagial. Monocagial means after the formation of flower, the main branch growth will terminate, and new flower originated from the lateral side of the base of the old flower from the one direction. Mono means one, monocagial. तो ओल्ड फ्लावर के बेस से एक तरफ से अगर नया ब्रांच फ्लावर बनता है तो वो मोनोकेजियल, अगर इसकी भी ग्रोथ टर्मिनेट होगी तो नया इधर से हो जाएगा, फिर वापस नया इधर. दिस इज ऑफ मोनोकेजियल. डाइकेजियल, आफ्टर द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ ग्राथ formation of flower, the main branch growth will be terminate and the new flower arranged from the two side of the old flower. इसके दोनों से, that's why दोनों साइड से दो फ्लावर बनते हैं, that's why it is known as dicagial inflorescence. And third one is a polycagial. This is the main first flower. After that, more than two branches will be originated from the base of the old flower. That is a polycagial inflorescence. तो यहाँ पर दो से ज्यादा ब्रांचेज होती है. फर्दर इट इज ऑफ डिफरेंट टाइप्स बट वी स्टडीड ओनली till here. So cymose inflorescence, that is monocagial, dicagial, and that is of polycagial inflorescence. And the third type of inflorescence is of spatial inflorescence. Though that is not a part of NCERT books, but we studied. That is spatial inflorescence. It is of first solitary. Solitary means single. Solitary flower means that single. Single means only one flower is originated in the particular plants. It is of two types: solitary terminal and solitary axial. Means suppose this is one flower, single flower present on the main particular branch of the plants, that is solitary. But the solitary terminal means single flower and which is in terminal position, यानी प्लांट के टॉप पे आके फ्लावर बन जाता है, उसके बाद उस प्लांट की ग्रोथ नहीं होती और एक ही फ्लावर बनता है, जस्ट लाइक इन रोज, आर्जिमोन. यानी अगर रोज में देखा है तो किसी ब्रांच फ्लावर बन गया, वो सिंगल फ्लावर होगा, अकेला ही होगा, सॉलिटरी टर्मिनल. एंड एक्सियल, it is present in the axis of the leaves or axis of the branch or any other where, and it is again present as single flower. Axis of the leaves, that is of solitary axial. Example of China rose. China rose, that is of solitary axial. Axis के अंदर फ्लावर बनेगा और अकेला फ्लावर बनेगा तो उसको solitary axial कह सकते हैं. This is of spatial solitary flower, solitary inflorescence. Second type of spatial inflorescence is of Scythium. Next spatial inflorescence, that is of Scythium. In Scythium inflorescence, bract formed cup-shaped structure. Bract, these are the leaf-like structure which is present at the base of inflorescence. Bract क्या होते हैं? Leaf-like structure होते हैं which present at the base of inflorescence. The bract form cup-like structure that is known as receptacle. That is the receptacle in which suppose this is the cup like structure which is formed by the bract, in which single female flower is there, that represent single pistillate flower is there which represent the female flower. Single pistillate structure is there or pedicellate structure is there that represent the female flower, and at lateral side of the female flower stamen is there, that represent male flower, and this is Scythium inflorescens. It is present in euphorbia. It is present in euphorbia. Another type of special inflorescence is of Hyphanthodium. Hyphanthodium. Hyphanthodium, in which Hyphanthodium, that main axis formed cup-like structure. Main axis formed cup-like structure like this, and which is open in a small pore. Inside receptacle is there, in which many small style flower is there. The male flower present towards the pore here. Male flower is there, and female flower present towards the base. Female flower present towards the base, and such type of inflorescence is known as Hyphanthodium, and it is present in ficus. It is the these are the three different type of special inflorescence: solitary, Scythium, and Hyphanthodium inflorescence.